Wax Ultra 190 is an industrial-grade oxygen DLP rapid 3D printer. It has significantly enhanced printing speed while maintaining high precision. Even tiny movable gaps and the thinnest wall thickness can be printed accurately. Precise in size and highly faithful to CAD design drawings. IFUN independently develops the control system for printers. Each machine is akin to a mini-computer, employing more intelligent algorithms to precisely control every aspect of the printed file. Ensure smooth model surface while printing quickly. The DLP adopts a 4K resolution optical engine of German precision instruments. Excellent light uniformity ensures stable molding at every printing position. The printing process has no release force, making it ideal for casting complex structures or large-scale production. It can print successfully with minimal support.